India's continued commercial and diplomatic engagement with Turkey has drawn sharp criticism from the national security experts and police commentators, especially in the light of the Ankara's deepening defense ties with Pakistan and repeated endorsement of the Islamabad's position on the Kashmir issue. Also, the backlash intensified after a report revealed that the Turkish Airlines is reaping major benefits from its code-share partnership with the Indigo, India's largest airline. The two carriers operate joint flights to more than 30 European and the US destinations under a long-standing agreement, with the Turkish Airlines gaining disproportionate advantage, according to the Economic Times that is reported. Also, Sushant Sareen, the senior fellow at the Observer Research Foundation, voiced strong disapproval of India's ongoing cooperation with Turkey. India is not a serious country. We feed snakes and then wonder why they bite us. He wrong also, noting that the reacting of this report, we reward our enemies and treat our friends shabbily. We delude overall ourselves the countries like the Turkey that will give up their hostility. They benefit from us and then stab us openly. Echoing the sentiment, the Rajiv Mantri, the founder and the managing director of the Nawam Capital, criticized the India's government approach to the national security versus economic diplomacy. He said that 3-4 years ago, Turkey had made it clear that Baker offensive drones would be sold to Pakistan and not to India. The same drones have also been sold to Bangladesh. What did India do? Encouraged its airline to collaborate with the Turkish Airlines, also launched Operation Dost to help Turkey after it was devastated by the earthquake. At the same time, India's defense drone developers don't clear orders from our own armed forces. When they clear orders, payment is not released for months on the end. Yes, India is not a serious country, he said, backing Sareen's stance. Also, the code-share agreement allows passenger to book through the either aircraft fares while they flying across the shared network of the destination, including the major US cities such as the New York, Boston, Chicago, San Francisco, Houston and Atlanta. As of November and December 2024, also Indigo has similar agreements with the 9 other global carriers. Tensions have escalated after 6 Turkish military transport aircraft reportedly landing in the Pakistan last Sunday, delivering the defense cargo. This development comes just days after 26 civilians were killed in the terror attack in the Jammu and Kashmir's Pahalgam as operation carried out by the Pakistani-based terrorist